Better get back.
This is good. Oh, it's leaking. That went straight to traps. Oh! What the hell? Jesus.
Grayson is so beautiful. Grayson is so beautiful. Tummy. Say hello to the camera. Oh, you're so cute. Yep, you're definitely gonna kill me in my sleep one of these days. And that's okay. Holding hands. We're holding hands. Oh man, oh god. Okay, so I am now into the third week of school, and I'm already very stressed. I'm already behind on my reading, and it's the third week, but the first 2 weeks were half weeks, because school started the 20th, which was a Wednesday, and then Monday and Tuesday were canceled because of snow. So, thanks Jonas, but extra time didn't help me much because I am a moron. I procrastinate, and one day I'm going to reflect on this video so I stop being a moron. Not much else. I have a giant project. It's going to be into a portfolio, I assume, when I'm applying for internships and jobs, so I have to do well on it. And I'm a project manager. Horrible decision. But hey, it's a title. I can put it on the thing. I'm just freaking out. I only have 4 classes, yet I feel like 2 of them are really project heavy. One of them I have to start volunteering for stuff, which I guess I'll have to call off work even more. I need that to pay for stuff. And one of them doesn't seem too hard. It's just I have to write this paper, but that's not a big deal. But yeah. Just a little update on school. I'm already ready for the semester to be over. And it hasn't really started yet. Fantastic. This means good luck or something, right? Because I could definitely use it. Okay, so I finally got the KitchenAid that I was gonna get Liz for her bridal shower as part of the, well, not part of the group gift, it is the group gift. And originally it was supposed to be $300. It's the 4.5 quart one. It was on sale for $280, and then in the email my parents got a coupon for either 15, 20, 30, or 40% off if you use your Kohl's card, and we got the 40% off. So it ended up being $178. Yay! So between all bridesmaids, I think it was like 3 of us had to pay $36 and 2 paid $35. Can I help you? Hey. You're so weird. Anyway, so here's what it looks like. Woo. I just got the white one because that was the one that was on sale, and everything else in her kitchen is like plain colored. I think the one she asked for was gray. So she said she didn't really care about color. And she originally had registered for the 5 quart, and then I noticed that the 4.5 quarts were like half a quart smaller, but they're like $50 cheaper originally. So I'm like, do you really care about the 5 quart? And she's like, no. If someone doesn't buy this for me, I'm gonna end up having to buy it. So I'm fine with the 4.5 quart. So that's what we got her. So yay! Now I just need to wrap it.
Grayson, you're still pretty. Yeah.